Hello friends and welcome back to our channel. Guys, if you want to schedule a video on your Facebook page so that it can be uploaded on a certain time, then this video would be very helpful for you because in this video I will show you how you can schedule a video in your Facebook page very easily. So without wasting your time, let's get started. First of all, open your Play Store application and here search for Facebook and make sure that your Facebook application is up to date. As my Facebook application is up to date, so I will click on open. And after that, you have to click on three lines on top right corner. And after that, you have to select the page in which you want to schedule a video. For example, I have selected this page and after that click on home button. And after that click on what's on your mind. And here click on photo or video. And from here you have to select the photo or video. For example, I want to upload a video, so click on video. And after that write here something, caption whatever you want, and after that click on next. And here it will provide you different options. You have to select the third option, scheduling options, so click on scheduling options. And after that click on schedule for later. And here it will ask you for the date on which you want to schedule this video. For example, I want to schedule this video on 29 March. So select this date and click on OK. And after that it will ask you to select the time on which this post should be scheduled or uploaded. So after that click on OK and click on back arrow. And after that you have to click on post. So this video would be uploaded on that date and that time. So guys, in this way you can schedule any specific video on your Facebook page very easily. If this video is helpful for you, please like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.